in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to put your Dell laptop into sleep mode with your keyboard shortcuts. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So typically, you can use if there's a little half crescent moon on your keyboard, that will just go into sleep mode with your keyboard. You can also tap the FN and sleep key or the FN and insert key on older model computers. Sometimes there's a quick sleep option by tapping the FN and insert key, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.